Go Vandals! In honor of the 125th anniversary of the University of Idaho, I decided to take one of my custom creation horns and paint it up in Vandal colors. The official colors for the University of Idaho, which is the school I attended, are silver and gold, although black and gold seems to be the two most common colors you see on any official U of I merchandise. So I have this done up in gold throats, black on the outside with a silver manifold. Now as for the horn itself, this is what I am calling a Newcast P3A. And what I mean by that is it has bells Newcast number 1, Newcast number 2, and Oldcast 4A. And this is the exact same chord as the Oldcast P3, but up a half step. So it's kind of the traditional P3 chord, but with a very bright, cheery sound to it. Now this particular horn is mounted on the low-profile P3 manifold, which, although common on Southern and North Fork Southern Railway, seems to be somewhat rare in the collector circles. Originally, I had planned to do this on a gullwing manifold, but I wanted a low profile, and I actually managed to find one for sale, so I went ahead and picked that up, and it turned out exactly how I liked it, so it looks really good.